No good words to express ourselves when we see our people getting water nearby their homes. This is something that we appreciate, something that makes us to thank God for everything that is going on here. This is clean water. We are happy that we are receiving water, and it is soft water. We call it soft water because no salt at all. No salt at all. Hello, Sister Kerry. As you can see now, we are here. People are just getting water. Finally, we did it. Finally, we made it. And finally, God has done it again. After finishing this project today, I know and believe it is the beginning of the next project. May God bless you so much. May God bless all those who have been praying for us. We are very happy, as you can see. Villagers are just here, just getting water. Jamani, tunaomba wasichana waliopo hapo wajitwishe ndoo labda.